Uline's Deluxe shop desks are easily customized to meet your shipping receiving department and warehouse needs. Uline Deluxe shop desks feature powder-coated steel construction for durability and are available in a variety of sizes and styles. Deluxe standard and cabinet shop desks include a slanted writing surface, a 4-compartment organizer, a locking drawer, and a 12-inch deep top shelf. Deluxe standard shop desks include a lower shelf for storage with adjustable leg heights, while Deluxe cabinet shop desks feature a locking double-door cabinet with an adjustable shelf to keep valuable equipment and documents safe. All Deluxe shop desks have 2 panel options: Pegboard panels or Louvered panels. Pegboard panels are great for conveniently hanging tools, clipboards, and other supplies to keep them organized and easily accessible. Louvered panels are used with Uline stackable bins for organization of small tools and supplies. Optional accessories for Deluxe shop desks include an easy-to-install magnetic LED light, lockable casters for mobility, stackable bins, and pegboard hangers. Uline Deluxe shop desks are in stock and ready for immediate delivery from any of our strategic locations in North America. Whatever your warehouse supply needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.